Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? So, today we're looking at stop orders. Okay, so now this stock has blown up. Alright, Ctxr Pharmaceuticals. You can see I'm up over 250% on the stock. I didn't buy much because it was kind of a high risk proposition. So, now that I'm up over 100%, 200%, 250%, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a stop order to lock in my gains. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to trade. I'm going to do 100. I'm going to do a stop. No. Doing a trailing stop percentage. So the percent I'm going to use is 5%. I'm going to do good till canceled. Okay. And that's fine. So basically this is going to sell the stock if it goes below the price that I set. Alright, selling 100 shares of Ctxr at the market price when it reaches at least 5% below the lowest traded price since the order was placed. Alright, so what that means, if the price goes up to $10, it won't sell. But if it goes to $10 and then backs off 5% off of that, it'll sell off immediately when it hits that limit. Alright, and we'll take a look at what happens here in a minute. You can see, alright, now the current order that's here is 5% stop. Okay, good. Yeah, so you can see the current stop is set at 5%, so that'll be locking in those gains. Alright, that's pretty much it. So now if the price drops 5%, it's going to sell 100 shares. And that means the other 100 shares that I have is house money. So it means I'm just going to let it ride, pretty much. I might sell it at some point. Who knows? If the stock is cheap enough, I might buy more. If it goes down to $1.26 again. But this time, I'm going to buy more. Alright, guys? So that's all I have for today. Hopefully you guys are doing okay out there in the markets. It's been a little volatile. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for wealth building techniques and more options trading tips and option tips and good ideas. Alright guys, thanks for watching.